Product management is often misunderstood and confused with other cross-functional roles. But in my opinion, product management is a critical role for any organization and needs a specialized mindset. Hello, my name is Manish Sirdeshmukh. I'm a director of product for TV platform at Netflix. I'm happy to be teaching you the product management course together with Elevator. This course would be great for professionals who want to transition to product management role, product managers who want to have a deeper understanding of product management as a discipline and build the skills expected at companies like Netflix, Google, Microsoft, as well as some of the high-performing startups out there. Also, recent university graduates or current recent MBA or graduate school students, you're more than welcome. Lastly, those previously wearing many hats in a small company who want to transition to working on products in a larger company, the course is designed for you guys. In 12 lessons, we'll go through all the stages of product management, closely examine what it takes to become a successful PM in different industries and companies. You will also practice delivering a product pitch about your own ideas. You will learn to ideate, analyze product ideas, develop MVPs, build, launch, and test your product, as well as choose the right metrics to determine your product success. You will also have a chance to practice your soft skills, receive career guidance, and learn from successful product management executives during the panel in Class 12 that I've specially designed for you. Then, for home assignments, you will work with teams to practice the skills and knowledge you got in the class to develop a product or feature of your choice. I'll also have a weekly office hours if you feel like you have any questions left after the lesson. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course, and I'll see you in the class.